If you are a computer accessory brand, distributor, e-commerce sellers, or supplier of USB Type-C cable, docking stations, charger, monitors, or external storage devices, this USB Type-C 80G 240W cable, compatible with Thunderbolt 5 devices, is worth your attention. Today, end users are no longer satisfied with the basic Type-C charging cable. They are using high-performance laptops, Thunderbolt docking stations, high-resolution monitors, fast external SSDs, and even professional AV equipment. And their problems are very clear. Ordinary Type-C cable may be charged slowly, transfer data slowly, or fail to connect to an external monitor. External display may flicker, go black, or fail to reach the expected resolution. Docking station may not be recognized properly. External drive may disconnect randomly, and the desktop can become massive with too many different cables. That is why the market needs a high-spec, high-value USB Type-C cable product line. This cable supports 80G high-speed data transfer, making it ideal for fast external SSDs, data storage, video field transfer, and docking station connection. It supports 240W fast charging, which is suitable for high-performance laptops, mobile workstations, gaming laptops, and future high-power USB Type-C devices. It is designed as a full-function USB Type-C cable, not just a basic charging cable. It supports charging, data transfer, video output, and multi-device connection, making it suitable for Thunderbolt 5 devices, Thunderbolt docks, professional workstation, and advanced USB Type-C setups. It also supports 60K ultra-high-definition video output, making it suitable for high-resolution monitors, multi-screen workstation, professional displays, and premium AV applications. For brand and channel customers, the selling points are very clear. 80G 240W, compatible with Thunderbolt 5 devices, and 16K ultra-high definition. These keywords are perfect for product packaging, e-commerce listing, product detail pages, short video, and online advertising. This cable can be positioned as a high-end USB Type-C cable, a USB Type-C 80G cable, a docking station companion cable, a monitor cable, or an external storage cable. It helps brands build product differentiation, increase product value, and upgrade their high-end cable portfolio. More importantly, a higher spec cable can help reduce end users' connection issues and after-sales complaints. As laptops, monitors, docking stations, and external storage devices become more advanced, users need more than just a regular Type-C cable. They need a cable that can truly keep up with their devices. For brand and channel customers, this is not just another cable product. It is an opportunity to upgrade your product line. High-end devices need a high-performance cable, and high-end brands need a product that matches the market upgrades. For more information, please visit www.starflycablehubs.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.